Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan, and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a little bit different. I will be showing you a simple, easy weight loss recipe as well. But first, I want to talk a little bit about the products I'm wearing. A great company, Yvette Sportswear, reached out to me, and I had already been a customer of theirs, but they reached out to me and wanted to know if I could show a few of these items and they would give a discount to my audience. So it's a wonderful discount. If you buy anything, it's 15% off. And if you spend over $79, you get 20% off. So this is a great time to get that workout person in your life, or for yourself, daughter, mom, a gift for Christmas, or if you're getting ready to hit the gym in the new year, then this is a great time to buy. I'm just going to show you some of the products that they sent me, and I hope you like them. And just remember, I am not a model and I'm just a regular gal, so I'm going to show you warts and all. So the first thing I'm wearing is this zip up jacket, and I love it. It has the little holes for your thumbs, which I love because my hands tend to get cold, and it's very well made and it's very form-fitting, so it's very flattering, I think. But you can also move in it. It's very stretchy, and it's not going to hinder your workout in any way. And I think it's really cute. I'll show you the back. And all the links are going to be down below for the products I'm showing you, so just look in the description box for those. And then next I'm going to be showing you the sports bra that I chose. This is the Sculpt crisscross padded sports bra. And what I love is the padding is sewn in, so you don't have to fight with the pads after you wash them, which I love. And it's very full coverage, and it makes you feel real secure. And I'll show you the back. It's got the cute little crisscross, and then you've got the clasp right here. So it's really easy to take on and off. If you want to wear a little workout shirt over it to feel maybe a little bit more comfortable, I do that as well, and it goes great with everything. So I think this is really great. It really helps minimize the back fat squishing out of your bra there, like a lot of the sports bras do. And I like the wide bands. It's just super comfortable. It's, you know, you can work out and move. It stretches. You don't feel hindered by it. So I really like this one. Then I wanted to show you the leggings that I'm wearing, and this is the high-waisted running pant, and this really holds you in and you feel secure, but it's also stretchy, so you can move and feel comfortable. And I love it has a pocket, so you can put your cell phone in there and continue on with your workout listening to your favorite music. And I just love that it's high-waisted. It really feels like it holds my tummy in, and I just feel really confident in this, and I think it's flattering. And it goes all the way to your ankle. I really like that style as well. And I love wearing these to the gym. They're so comfortable and they're so well made. They're very well constructed, and the material just feels so good on you. It's so soft. So I think you're going to really enjoy these. Then I wanted to show you this hoodie. Oh, I love this thing. It's got the two side pockets. It's got moisture wicking material. It's a loose fit, so you can work out and not feel like you're being constricted. I also love the gold zipper. I think it's just such a great accent with the pink of the sweatshirt. And I tell you what, I wear this not just at the gym. I wear it to the grocery store, whatever. It's really comfortable, it's warm, and again, these are all such high quality fabrics. That's what I love about Yvette Sportswear, is they use quality materials, just so breathable and comfortable. Then I just love this sports bra as well. It's got the zipper front closure, which it's super on and off, which is good for me because I usually get up super early to go to the gym, and I want to get there and not spend a lot of time getting dressed. And I don't know about you, but when I go work out, I like to wear like cute, comfortable clothes. It just makes me feel more in the mood to really go work out. I feel confident when I walk in the gym. When I'm wearing some high quality workout clothes, it just kind of helps with your mindset. You know, I lay out my workout clothes the night before, get up early, put them on, brush my teeth, walk out the door, and I just feel like, yeah, I'm ready to work out. And this is the back. And again, it's got the nice wide straps that help, you know, minimize that back fat squishing out, which we all love so much. So, and you know, most of us have it, so this is a nice feature for this bra. And this is also moisture wicking, so you don't feel like you're getting all sweaty. And it also looks super cute with your sweatshirt. I love it. These are the Echo high-waisted leggings, yoga leggings, and they're really cute too. Again, high-waisted, they hold you in, they're very flattering, and all these products are pretty much true to size. I just think they're real cute, super comfortable, moisture wicking, and you really can't go wrong. And they feel like they're really tight, but they're not. And the material again is so soft, got lots of stretch, so you can move freely, do your workouts. It also goes great with this jacket that I showed you earlier. Another feature of this jacket is it's got these nice little vents in the back, so you can wear it while you're working out and not feel so hot. It's really breathable. So last but not least, I have these super comfortable little joggers. I love these. They are lightweight, they are roomy, again high-waisted, my new fave, high-waisted everything. Yeah, these are great if not only at the gym, but if you want to go for a hike, walk on the beach, whatever it may be, or just to wear around the house. So comfy and cozy. Again, the materials they use are so yummy, and everything is so well constructed. So these are really great. And I just love the looser fit, but they're super flattering as well. Again, this will go with the hoodie or the jacket, and that's what I love. You can just mix and match these things. So check out all the links below, and remember that for anything you buy, it's 15% off. You use the code Debbie15, and $79 or over purchase, you use the code Debbie20 and you'll get 20% off. So I hope you check out the website. I'll leave that on the screen and also down below in the description box with all the links for everything else. Okay, so now we're gonna go in the kitchen and I'm gonna whip up some low-fat, high-carb, great meal. So let's go. One of the best meals that you'll wanna make when you're trying to lose weight and keep things low calorie density is a stir fry. And you can vary this up any way you want. I usually will put stir fry over rice. Today I'm going to use some rice noodles and we're going to add that into the stir fry. So let me show you what I have here. I have some Napa cabbage, I have some baby bok choy, I have a carrot, I've got some green beans, I've got some broccoli, and I've got some onion. So I'm just going to chop them all up, put them in this bowl here, and then we'll head over to the stove and we're going to put it all together. But this is so easy, and just use what you have on hand. If you have bell peppers, if you have different kinds of greens you want to put in, that works too. Oh, I think I'll add some mushrooms too. I have some frozen in the freezer, so I'm going to grab those as well. So I'm going to get to chopping, and like if I have a big leaf like this, I'll just cut it down the middle and then just cut it. And then we'll just throw that in this bowl and move on to the next one, which is the baby bok choy. You could use regular bok choy. So you just want as many greens, non-starchy vegetables as you have on hand to go in there. And this is going to give you that fiber, that water, all those nutrients, the things you need to keep you full. And then we're going to have our starch as the noodles. So I'm going to continue chopping all this up and then I'll meet you over at the stove. So I'm using a nice deep pan. You could use a wok if you have that. And then just a little bit of water here. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of crushed ginger and garlic. And just let that go for a little bit. Just a minute or two. And here's our veggies. I also found some peas. I added those in and then my mushrooms. So that's gonna all go in the pan. It does not get much easier than this. So just stir this around. And then for seasonings, I'm just gonna add a little bit of garlic salt, onion powder. So we'll let this cook for about 5 minutes or so at a fairly high temperature, medium high. We don't want to overcook them. I still want them to be a little bit crisp, but we also want them to be cooked. I'm going to add a little bit of coconut aminos. Couple tablespoons, and we'll add more later if we need to. So I'm just going to put a lid on this, let it cook for about 5 minutes. I'm going to watch it, and then the veggies will steam up a little bit, and then we'll finish it up. So it's been about 5 minutes, and I'm going to turn the heat down to medium, and I'm going to add our noodles, and I just cook them to the package direction. Rinse them and set them aside. Now I just want to stir these in and pick up some of that coconut aminos to flavor the noodles a little bit. So I'm just going to add a little bit more coconut aminos, maybe about a tablespoon, and then we'll just let these cook for a couple minutes and let them soak up that flavor. And I did cook the noodles till al dente, and just any kind of rice noodle will be fine. All right, I will show you how I finish it up, and we'll give it a taste. To finish it up, I like to add some green onions, a little bit of cilantro, and some sesame seeds. Look at this beautiful plate. And that was so simple. It's basically veggies, a couple spices, and some coconut aminos. If you wanted to add some sriracha or some kind of a hot sauce, you could add the sweet chili sauce, but I think this is just so good as is. So let's give it a taste. So here we go, finished product. Looks delicious. I just love all the colors, and eating all these cruciferous vegetables are so good for your gut, to help heal your gut. They have tons of antioxidants and tons of nutrients, and that's what you need as part of your health journey. So if you can make your meals mostly these green vegetables and of course your starch to keep you feeling satisfied, you're on your way. All right, so here we go. Get some of these noodles. This is perfect because it's raining outside and it's cold, so this tastes so good. I hope you enjoyed all the products I showed you from Yvette Sportswear, and I hope you check out their website. They've got some great items for you, and make sure you use my discount code Debbie15 for 15% off on anything you buy, or Debbie20, and you'll get 20% off anything that you buy over $79 or more. And I highly recommend their high quality sportswear. And also follow me on Instagram. I also want to let you know that I do have a Facebook group, so if you feel like you need some more support, some inspiration, recipes, I'll leave the information to that down below. We've got a good group there, very supportive, and we hope to see you there. And as always, as you know, all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you.